this is Sheree for Just Nailed It. Today we have got a video from brcnailstipsxpieces.com. It's some Halloween items. But first, look at this beautiful mat that I have here. It's clear. There's my regular mat upside down. Oopsie. And here's this mat that Viola Brown made me. And it's really super cute. It's like pink and purple, but that's the color of my mat is purple. So I don't know how well you can see it, but I wanted to show you this first. Here is my purple bag day. There's our addresses. If you ever want to send me anything, help my channel out by donating, you can send it here. I greatly appreciate anything that is donated to my channel. So here is, oh looky, looky. First let me see her little note she sent me. Okay, let me show you this first. Here is her card with all her social media platforms on it. Her website here at the bottom, brcnailstips, X is in the letter X, pieces.com. Let's see if I can bring this in just a little bit closer. You can take a screenshot of it if you would like. So put that off to the side. Here's all the Halloween goodies. Let me know if you have any questions. Brandy. I put in a few stamping plates I hope you like, and I'm sure that I will love. So let me set this off to the side here. Okay, let's check out the stamping plates. Bang, this one is a lace pattern stamping plate. I don't know how well you can see it. I think that is super cute. Oh, there's 4 plates here. This plate here, Floral BPXL017. Let's see how close can we get. This reminds me of Holly Hobby right here, a little girl. See if you can see it right there. It reminds me of Holly Hobby. This is a beautiful stamping plate with roses and more flowers. Love that one. Let me put that in there. And this plate, oh, looky here. This is, I can't see this name, but hold on just 1 second. I had it upside down. This is my Big Bang Beauty. And it's got lots of butterflies. Oh, this is a beautiful plate, Brady. Thank you so much. Thank you for thinking of me. This plate here, let me get it up here, is a complete scenery. It's got love. Put the word love there. It's got some Cupid up there. The man and the woman dancing, the heart locket. Little scenery here. Like a firework love. It's got all different sorts of love things. All sorts of different things you can stamp from it. All different sorts of beautiful, beautiful items. Brady, thank you so much for thinking of me. I greatly appreciate it. Now let's dive in. I've been excited about this since my package came. What girl doesn't like getting some items in the mail? This is PR Items. I'm a brand ambassador for brcnailstipsxpieces.com. I will put my code across the bottom of the screen. It is Sheree Baby. For those of you that don't call me Sheree, it is Sherry Baby, but my name is Sheree. Sheree Baby 10. Okay, here's the price list. Let me check this out for just a short minute. Oh, oh my goodness, there's so many things. And lots of paper clips. Lots of paper clips. Okay, let me try to separate some of this stuff. We have got a glitter, 5 grams of glitter. Oh, I don't know where to begin. Whoops, what's going on here? Whoops. What are these? They're little magnets. The magnets are meant for me to play with, okay? So I was really confused. These are all 5mm magnets. Look at those to the sides. Because I was kind of confused. Some are 4mm. Okay, we got those off to the side now. I don't know where to begin, so I'm going with the glitter. Let me try to find the glitter here. Glow in the dark orange ear. Glow in the dark iridescent orange glitter. So let's see how I can do this. We're trying to put it on the light so I can see it glow in the dark. Ooh. So it does glow. There's some iridescent orange glitter. I'm sure it would be better under an LED light. UV. 5 grams for $1.99, which is a great deal. Where is Chica? That's really beautiful. That'd be great for Halloween, which is what it's intended for. Let me put this back in the pouch. Uh-oh, I don't need people ringing my phone at 3 o'clock in the morning while I'm trying to film. Okay. Let's kind of move these off to the side a little bit. We have got orange glitter. I don't know if you can see that. Over here, 4 for $1.59. Oh, I wanted these so badly. They are diamond-shaped camo pieces. I think they are just darling. These are 4 for $1.59. Everything you see here you can find on Brandy's website. drcnailstipsxpieces.com. Here they are in pink. We have got the oval blue zebra stripes, which is really super cute. And the pink leopard oval. These are all 4 for $1.59. Let's go for the unicornies. Unicornies! I can't pay the clip off. These are 2 for 89 cents. These are, I'm going to take these babies out and look at them. These are some pink unicorns. Let me check this out here on the list. Spiders, large skeletons, resin spiders, quality out. These are 24mm by 23mm. Kawaii unicorn charms, 2 for 89 cents. Oversized. A little bit, because you have to have a pretty long nail to put these puppies on. But they are so cute. Oh, so cute. Going to these back in the pouch. Here are the others. 2 for 89 cents, oversized unicornies. Okay, got those, got the unicorns. Let's see what's next here. These are cameos, at least that's what I call them, cameos. They're 2 for $1.59, you gave it pink. Here is the red and black. These are super cute. They are, that's just a skeleton. Ooh. Just in time for Halloween. Back in the pouch. 2 for $1.59. And here you have got the black. I'm very, very excited. Okay, here we have got owls, oversized, 2 for 99 cents. Let me see. 20 millimeter by 16 millimeter, and it's KAWAIL. Owls, 2 for 99 cents, oversized. And then here are some. What are these? I don't know if these are bear heads, pig heads. Let me look at the list here. Unicorn charms, owls, resin spiders. Those aren't spiders. Huh. These have to be the... Let me check this out here real quick. Please forgot to put it right. Maybe that, I don't know, but ouch. Let me get these out so I can take a gander. These, I don't know if these are little teddy bear heads, but they have a little bow in the ear. They're super, super cute. These are 4 for 99 cents. I don't see anything on here for 4 for 99 cents. It's gotta be what these are. And it's called Skies. Alright, we're back. I think the camera cut off on us. We got all the skies. I believe we got the silver and gold spiders. Those are 2 for $1.69. I don't believe, and if I've already done these, please forgive me for recapping. These are skulls. They are 4 for $1.59. She only sent me 2 of each color to show you. But you can order them off her website, 4 for $1.59. Great, great buy. Great, great, great for Halloween. Also, we have got different color spiders here. Look at these ones. These are 2 for 89 cents. Look at how spooky those are. Those would be great on a light spider web. We got those. We got silver. These are all 2 for 89 cents. The white iridescent, black spider web, or even the silver. And here are your traditional black spiders. Ooh, everybody loves the spider now, right? This is a sparkly dart spider. And then we have these, last but not least. So if there's anything you would like to see a closer picture of, please let me know and I'll put one up on Instagram. If there's anything you're not clear on, please contact me and I'll do my best to clarify it for you. If there's anything you would specifically like to see me do a video on to incorporate one of these charms into a manicure. I mean, the Halloweenish one's over here, you know I'm going to do that. Got the glitter going. We could definitely gonna be playing with this. Definitely. I think that's just a beautiful mix. And then it glows in the dark. That's even better yet. So this is my haul, my PR haul for brcnailtipsxpieces.com. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of all my goodies. I have lots and lots of goodies here to play with. Lots of goodies. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos, all uploads, all giveaways, and useful information. Keep your eyes out on Instagram. I'm going to be having a 3K giveaway. Terribly sorry. I'm just trying to collect sponsors right now. And hopefully I'll be drawing on October 1st, so it will be kind of going to stay in the Halloween theme. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. Check me out on Instagram, JUST.NAILEDIT, for all my pictures and support there. I'd love it. Love, love, love it. I guess this is all for today. I just love these skeleton cameos. I think those are so sweet. But yes, I'm going to be playing with all these in the near couple weeks. But if there's anything specific you'd like to see me play with or incorporate in a manicure, please let me know. Please DM me. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. Give the video a thumbs up. That way I know you came through, that you liked it. It helps my video be seen by other viewers. I would greatly, greatly appreciate that. I love you all for being here and for your undying support. Until next time, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.